Assalamu alaikum. So in this video we are just going to calculate standard deviation by using calculator, right? You can see the question is here, and in question we have masses in the form of intervals, and we have number of snails, and number of snails is basically showing us a frequency column, right? This is a frequency column, and when we need to calculate standard deviation by using a calculator or by numerical method, means by using formula, in both cases we need to calculate its midpoint. And midpoints, you already know that in class intervals we calculate midpoints by adding the lower and upper class limits of the class. That means 0 plus 10, and we have to divide the answer by 2. So 0 plus 10 is basically 10, 10 by 2 is 5. So similarly the midpoint is 5, 10 and 20. The lower and upper class limits are 10 and 20. The sum of 10 and 20 is 30. So 30 by 2 is 15. So midpoint is 15. Similarly, we will follow the same method. We will add these two limits and then divide it by 2. We will get 25. Then for the next class 35 and 45, 55, and the last class the midpoint is 65. So we have calculated the midpoints and frequency. We will only use these two columns in our data. So we will use midpoints and frequencies. And how we are going to use calculator? Let's start. So in calculator, first of all you have to clear your data. So shift mode, and first of all you have to press mode button, and you know that standard deviation is a statistics topic. So we will choose option number 3. So this is option number 3, and now we will use the first option, that is 1 minus variance. So we will use option number 1. So here we can see we have a column of x. X is showing us the midpoint, right? And the midpoints are here. We also need to put the values of frequency inside this column. We have to insert another column for the values of frequencies as well. So what we will do, we will again press shift mode. We will go down, and we have an option number 4, that is stat, right? So press option number 4. Do you want to turn on the frequencies or turn off the frequencies? As you know that we need frequencies here, so we will turn on. We will press option number 1. So this is option number 1. Here you can see that we have two columns, first for the midpoints and second for the frequencies, right? So let's put the midpoint values. First of all we have to put 5. So we will press 5, and then we will use equal button. Okay, we will use equal button. Next our value is 15. So we will press 15, then equal, then 25, then equal, then 35, then equal, and 45, then equal, then 55, then equal, then 65, then equal. So we have just entered all the data values. Yes, I have counter checked it. Okay, let's move to the next column, and we will move up. Yes, so against 5 we our frequency is 1, and then 15 our frequency is 2. Let's put the values of frequencies inside here. So this is 1, press 1, then equal, press 2, then equal, then 10, 18, 20, 10, equal, then 18, equal, then 20, equal, then 6, equal, then 3, equal. Okay, we have entered all the values. What we have to do next, we need to calculate its standard deviation, right? So we are just going to, so we will press AC, right? Now don't worry, your data is saved. Now we will press shift and then 1. Now you can see the fourth option is variance, right? Press 4, and you know that we use this sign for the standard deviation. Option number 3, this is for standard deviation, and this is for mean. If you want to find the mean of the data, you can use option 2, and if you want to find the standard deviation of the data, you have to select option number 3. Here I want to find standard deviation, so I will press 3, and this is equal. So here you can go 12.1 is the standard deviation of this data, and if you want to find the mean you have to press option number 2. Okay, I hope you have understood.